Imagine a world where success isn't just about grit and grind. It's about strategic alignment with your strengths. It begins with recognizing your unique talents and abilities, the things that flow naturally from you. That's right, it's about embracing diversity within teams, leveraging a range of strengths for innovative collaboration. Your strengths are not just features, they are tools to boost productivity and achieve tangible results. As you align actions with your strengths, you'll notice your confidence growing, enabling you to face challenges with resilience. Making a difference means leveraging your strengths to drive positive change and progress. Yes, continuous growth is essential. Always seek opportunities to expand and refine your strengths. Overcoming obstacles? Strategically apply your strengths to navigate difficulties. Team success thrives when each member's strengths are understood and utilized effectively. Harness the collective power of aligned strengths to fuel creativity and drive towards common goals. Remember, personal fulfillment comes from purposeful engagement with your strengths. Be flexible, adapt strategies to capitalize on strengths and address evolving needs. Build resilience by bouncing back from setbacks, drawing on your strengths. Inspire others by demonstrating the impact of playing to strengths and encouraging their development. Regular reflection sharpens strengths, refining approaches for sustained success and fulfillment. So go ahead, align your strengths, and see the magic happen.